we can search VIs in an application instance for VIs, express VIs, functions, terminals, type definitions, global variables, control references, or breakpoints, and replace them with other block diagram objects. If we have state chart module installed, we can also find block diagram objects in the guard and action code of a state chart. So let's go and see how we can do that. To find an object on the block diagram, we can go to Edit menu, and from there we can go to Find and Replace. The Find and Replace dialog box appears without any particular object selected. So, but if we select something first and then call the Find and Replace, then that particular object is selected by default. So next we go to the application instance drop down menu and select from the drop down menu the instance where we want to search. In my case, I have only one project open, so that is what I will select. Then from the select object menu, we can go and select the function that we would like to search for. We can also select for VIs. These are the VIs that our project contains. If it has type defs, LabVIEW classes, globals, if these are being used in the project. In my case, they are not, therefore these options are not highlighted. Objects in the VI library and others, or you can search the VIs by name, in which case all the VIs, sub VIs used and the VI library VIs also are listed, and you can then narrow down the search by checking off these selections. Next, you can specify the search scope where the search will take place. In all the VIs in the application instance, only the selected VIs, or only the VI from which you launched this find dialog box. If you want to search in particular VIs, restricted to particular VIs, then you can use this dialog box, select VIs to search, and you can also use these check marks to narrow down your search. Also, you can select all VIs, remove all VIs from the selected VIs to search, or you can just select particular VI and then add it to the this path. And also you can include whether to search inside the hierarchy window or to ignore VIs in the VI library. Once you have made all this, you made your choices, then click the find button and LabVIEW will show you the search results. And if what you are searching for is the only object, is a single object, and if you search for the single object, no other instance being present, then LabVIEW will just go to that particular object and show you where it is located. But if more than one objects are present, and then you search for that object and the search finds multiple instances of the object, then it will show you those multiple options. And then you can either go to that particular object, or also you can replace it. To replace it, you will have to click this replace with checkbox, and then you can select what you want it to replace with. Then you can select replace selected or replace all. But if you, let's just select replace selected, and the addition is now replaced with subtraction. But if you select something that is not relevant, for example, if I want to replace the addition with this string constant, and then I select replace selected, then LabVIEW will not do it since it is illogical. Further, if you have, for example, globals or locals, let's make some locals, and another one, and let's turn this one into, change it to read. And if you are searching for globals, then LabVIEW also shows you whether it is read or write.